Hello, I'm Mimi, and I'm here today to teach you about clouds. Clouds are like fluffy, floating pillows in the sky. They can be all sorts of shapes and sizes and sometimes look like animals or other fun things. But have you ever wondered what clouds are and how they get up in the sky? Well, clouds are made of tiny water drops or ice crystals. It's like when you take a hot shower and the bathroom mirror gets all foggy. That fog is a lot like a cloud, just very close up. Clouds happen when water from lakes, rivers and oceans gets heated up by the sun and turns into an invisible gas called water vapor. This water vapor goes up, up, up into the sky. When this water vapor gets high up where it's colder, it turns back into tiny water drops. This is like when you have a cold soda can outside on a hot day and tiny drops of water form on the outside. These tiny drops come together and form clouds. Now, clouds don't just stay the same, they change. When lots of water droplets join together, they can get heavy and fall back to earth as rain or snow. This is how clouds help give us the water we need to drink, help plants grow, and fill up rivers and lakes. There are different types of clouds too. Some are thin and wispy, we call these cirrus clouds. Others are big and fluffy like cotton, those are cumulus clouds. And then there are clouds that cover the sky like a blanket. We call these stratus clouds. So next time you look up at the sky, see if you can spot these different kinds of clouds. And remember, they're not just there for decoration, they're an important part of our weather.